Everything around you follows gravity, motion, light, every star, every planet, and every galaxy follows a simple set of instructions. But what if those same rules could fit inside a Python program? Today, we are not learning Python. We're using Python to answer a question. Can simple rules create something that looks alive? Let's build the smallest universe we possibly can. Every universe starts with an empty file and a single idea. Our first rule is simple. Every particle needs a position, an x coordinate, and a y coordinate. One particle doesn't look like much, so let's create 100 and let them, exist together. Every new line of code changes the universe. The simulation grows one particle at a time. 100 particles, 500 particles, 1000 particles, 5000 particles, still following the exact same set of rules. Let's run the simulation. None of these particles know where they are going. They don't have a plan. They simply follow instructions. Yet, patterns begin to appear. Motion becomes structure, and complexity emerges from simplicity. Maybe, just maybe, that's how every universe begins. Today, we created particles. Next time, we teach them gravity and see what kind of universe we build.